Hello. So today I'm going to show you how you can screen record yourself, how you can screen record and also yourself using OBS. So OBS is open broadcaster software. It's openly available. It's free, and you can download on your computer. So just go to this website obsproject.com, and it's right there. And by the way, I'm going to put these instructions on the description below. Okay, so depending on which operating systems you have, you download your OBS. So I already downloaded for my Windows and install that. Installation is pretty straightforward. Just double click on that and it's going to install that for you. It's pretty simple and easy. Okay, then you want to open up your OBS. So just come over here and type OBS and there you go. You're going to see this OBS and start your application. So after I start my application, this is the screen you are going to receive right here. Okay, so I'm going to follow these steps by the way. So this way you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so open up your OBS. I did that. Go to your scenes. You see this plus, click on the plus right here and enter the name of the scene. So let's say I want to call this thing as record underscore scene 2. Okay, so this is my record underscore scene 2. All right, click OK. And you're going to see this appear over here. Make sure this is selected. Okay, then go to your control. So now I'm going to follow these steps right here. Okay, go to the right, go to control and click settings. So go to controls, click on settings. All right, and this screen appears right here. Okay, now you're going to see all these options: general, appearance, stream, output, audio, video. I'm going to be focusing on output, audio, and video. So let's click on output. You want to make sure your output mode is simple. All right, output mode is simple. My video bitrate basically I'm keeping at 2500 kilobits per second. Audio bitrate I'm keeping this. Video encoder I'm just keeping it like this X264, and then I'm actually changed my encoder preset to very fast. Okay, and super very fast default, so I'm going with that. Then my recording path, so where do you want to send your video to? So I'm sending my video to this path right here. So you can change it depending on where you want to send your videos to. Okay, all right. Then recording quality, I actually changed this to high quality medium file size. Then your recording format, I want to record my MP4 videos, so I'm using MPEG 4 right there. All right, and then you have video encoder. So I'm actually using software X264. You also have other options, but I'm going with this one right here. And then of course audio encoder, I'm using AAC default. All right, then go to your right and click on your audio. So right here now you come to the audio. Now we're gonna select our audio settings now. Okay, so now I'm actually this is what I'm doing. Okay, then go to your mic auxiliary video. So right here, you're gonna see this mic auxiliary video, which is this one right here. Okay, so select that and select the one that you are using for your sound. So for my sound, I'm actually using HP USB sound device. I'm actually have a headphone, so that's what I'm using. So I select that. Okay, and then again, next step would be go to your right, click on video. So now we're gonna go to your right, which is right here, and click on your video. And so I'm actually using high resolution. Okay, I'm using high resolution. I'm also my output, I'm changing it to very high resolution. And then my common frame per second video rate, basically I'm just keeping it 30. All right, and then you hit apply and OK. So in this case, apply, OK, OK. All right, so that part is done. Now, what we're going to do is make sure you select the screen. Okay, so select the scene. I'm sorry. So select the scene right there. Okay, and click on sources. So right there is just sources, and click on plus, and then you're going to see click on plus and then display capture. Somewhere over here, you're going to see display capture, which is right there. Click on display capture. Okay, and now you want to keep this as a default. Whatever this text is, just leave it like this. Click on OK, and there you go. Okay, properties for display. So this is actually my display right here, your display method. So in this case, my let's see, this is automatic and display. So select on this. Oh, this is the screen I have. So I click on this and there you go. You can see my screen just comes over here. All right, so click OK. All right, so the screen appears over here. Then now we're gonna do this step, right? So make sure you select the scene you just created. Okay, so this is scene selected. Come back to this plus again, and then now you're gonna do video capture device. Okay, click on video capture device, and then you're gonna see this text video capture device. Don't do anything to that. Just click on OK and wait for it, and there you go. This is my video. So this is actually looking. This is my video going through the coming through the webcam. All right. So in my case, actually, I have this Logic C270 HD webcam. All right. So it's showing me my video through that device. If you have multiple devices, it's going to display that over there. Choose the one that you wanna do. All right. Click on OK. All right. Now you can actually move your size. You can move your image wherever you want to. So let me just make my image a little bit smaller right there. And I want to put this thing somewhere at the bottom right here. Okay. Maybe I want my image to be up here over here. All right. There you go. Okay, so now then you can start recording. Okay, so this is pretty much done. Now you can just come over here and click on start recording. So as when you click on start recording, all your recording actually goes in that folder I just showed you a minute ago. Where was this? Right there. This is going to go inside your folder, your output folder. Okay, so click on start recording, and now it's basically recording some stuff over here. So now I'm gonna click on stop recording. All right, now let's go over to that folder, and there it is. So this is the file, and as you can see, it's only 7 seconds long. You can click on that recording, and now it's basically all right, recording some stuff over here. So I hope this video helps. Now I'm gonna click